Brian, we're here at the University at Huddersfield. Now, Bruker Alicona are very well known for surface metrology, and you're working in industry sectors like the medical sector, aerospace, and also the manufacturing of tooling. But could you tell me how they're actually using your system here?
Yes, Mark. The university market has always been important in the early days for Alicona, and we work in collaboration with these centres and hubs. And Huddersfield has been one of those that we've had for a number of years. They started off with one of our G4 systems. They've worked extensively with that, with the demand becoming so great that they actually recently purchased the G5 as well.
Now, I've seen some of the products downstairs. You've got medical products, but also additive manufacturing. Now, I didn't realise that your systems could actually, really use that to the surface as well.
Yes, the systems can be used to measure really most surfaces, and additive manufacturing has become a very significant part for us. And that's particularly true in the medical and automotive industries, where the research in those areas has been very intense. And places like the University of Huddersfield with Liam Blunt have been very instrumental in helping the industries forward with that research and how to measure them.
And I suppose from their perspective, to justify the cost of the G5 system, which is the ultimate system for the bench, I suppose obviously offering that into prime sectors is an advantage.
Absolutely. The work they do here proves the technology that we have is suitable for measuring the surfaces, which can then be taken into industry and indeed sold into industry as well. It's a great relationship we have with Huddersfield.
And I suppose finally, it's quite a good way of actually branding, not necessarily just for students, but also to industries that you don't know of.
Absolutely right. People come here, they see our product, and they say, "What's that?" And they're told that it does the job they want it to do. It's a great place to be.